lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be unboxing Octobers Boxycharm Premium box. Now this is the $35 a month box, but starting in November, Boxycharm is going to raise the price of the premium box. So instead of $35 a month, it's going to be $40 a month, which I'm not sure how I feel about that yet. They did say like in their email, because if you remember, you got an email stating that they're changing the prices. I did see in there that they're wanting to do more like takeover boxes, which if you don't know what that means, like they have been doing this thing every now and then where they had like a Fenty takeover where like Fenty, your premium box was all Fenty products, and they did one with Anastasia Beverly Hills, which was pretty fun. So if they're going to start doing stuff like that, I think I'll be okay with the raise of the price, because you know, if they do some really good brands, that'd be really exciting. But I'll wait and see. I'm not unsubscribing because of that, so we'll just see if it works out. And they also raised the price of the Boxy Luxe boxes. I'm not too sure about yet. They're raising it from $50 quarterly, so the 4 times a year, to $60 a box now. So I'm not sure how I feel about that one. I was already kind of on the fence with Boxy Luxe, but we'll wait and see. Maybe they're going to bring in some really good items. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But anyways, so I'm just going to be doing an unboxing of this today. I went ahead and tried on the makeup products ahead of time just to save some time, but also be able to still give you my opinion on the products. But yeah, to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so here is the card this month. The theme is Spellbound. It's very Halloween, kind of witchy kind of vibes to me. I really do like the purple color though. It's pretty cool. Inside is a bunch of advertisement. They've changed some stuff. So instead of doing add-ons, they're doing this drop shop thing now, which is basically the same thing as like the add-ons, but I think they're trying to put more products in there, like during those sales, which is pretty cool. I didn't buy anything this last time during their big drop shop thing. I just didn't see anything that I really wanted, but it is pretty cool that you can now, they're bringing back more items that are in like past boxes, so if you missed out on something, you can find it now, which is pretty cool. But anyways, so I'm just going to go ahead and start. So I'm going to start with the products that I was able to customize. And the first thing is from this brand called I think it's LYS, yeah, Beauty. And it is this No Limits Matte Bronzer. So, interesting shape. But here's what it looks like. It is that super shiny packaging that does look dirty after a while from fingerprints, but it is like, I really like the shape of it. It's kind of cool. And then here is what the actual product looks like. So it's this very nice matte bronzer. I did use this today and I actually really like it. I think it worked very beautifully. I have it in the shade, I think, light. Yeah, light. Honestly, when I first customized this, I was really scared because on the website, it looked really like orangey-ish red. So I was really nervous that it was going to be that type of shade, but no, it turned out pretty good. I think it's kind of more like cool toned with maybe a hint of warmth to it, but it worked out really well and I enjoyed using this, so I'm excited to have this. So this retails for $18. I think that's a pretty fair price considering how nice it looks, and then you know, you get a pretty good size, so I think that's a fair price. And I've never heard of this brand, so I'm curious about them. All right, and then the other thing that I customized was skincare product, and this is the 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence is what it's called, which I think I was reading on the back of it, and I think it's basically like a toner. But anyways, so this bad boy retails for $100. I cannot believe that. That is outrageous. I'm sorry, but it is. I mean, it is in this really nice, like, glass frosted bottle, but still, I would never, ever, ever pay $100 for this. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm not that invested in skincare, but yeah. I mean, but I'm glad to have it and to try it out, but sometimes I wonder about these skincare products that are have such an outrageous price, and then sometimes the ones I've gotten in my subscription boxes, I've used them and I've not really noticed a change, at least not in my skin. So that's just what makes me leery about it. So that was $100, and then the rest is what they chose for me. So next up is something from Benefit, which I was really excited to see in the box because I do like the brand Benefit, and it is the Georgie blush. It says a new shade, so I don't know what that means because I thought this had been around for a while, but anyways. So here's what the shade looks like, and I did use this today, and it smells really good. The only thing that I'm not quite a fan of with this is this blush shade is super, super light. Like, I'm pretty fair-skinned, but this was not showing up very well on my skin. I had to go on top of with another blush to like get it to make my cheeks look like this. So this is not just the only shade on my face today. I ended up going in with another blush. I will say it's very like glowy, so it made my skin look very glowy, which you know with me, I have textured skin, so glowy blushes just I don't like them. So I can't say I'm the biggest fan of this. I think it's exciting to get the brand Benefit in the box, and I hope they start adding more products like this from Benefit in the box. Like, I know we've gotten some primers from Benefit, which I'm not a huge fan of primers, so I was pretty excited to see a blush in here, but I hope they maybe will add bronzers or other blushes from this brand in here, but this shade just didn't work for me. Yeah, and I'm pretty fair-skinned, so I'll use it, but I would use this more as a blush topper instead of like an actual just alone, on its own, a blush. But this retails for $30. Sorry, I kind of rambled about that for a bit. All right, and then up next is some skincare. So we have from Perricone MD, and it is a vitamin C ester citrus brightening cleanser. And this retails for $35. So I'm pretty excited to get cleansers. I feel like they always send me a bunch of moisturizers, so I'm pretty happy to see a cleanser because I go through cleansers faster than I do moisturizers, but I'm pretty curious to try this out. And then another skincare product is from Dew of the Gods, and it is an under-eye volumizing collagen pads. And it's kind of interesting that it comes like in this tin can, and then you just like pop it open and they're in there. Personally, I'm not like really excited to get these. I don't really use under eye pads. I don't know. I probably should, but I just don't. I don't know. I'm not a fan of them. But this retails for $20, and let me see how many you get. So you get a set of 10, and this retails for $20. Alrighty, and then last but not least is something from Tarte, and that is the Man Eater Plumping Gloss. And this is in the shade Buff. I will say the packaging on this gloss is really cute. I think the cheetah is pretty cute. So this retails for $19, and it is on my lips right now. I have some thoughts on this product. I think the shade is really pretty, and I love how it looks on the lips, and it's very hydrating. I like the glossiness of it. The issue I have is the fact that it's a plumping gloss. I'm not a fan of plumping glosses. I don't really think it did anything to make my lips look more plumped, but I will tell you it made my lips burn, for sure. I got the whole tingling, kind of, not like I'm in excruciating pain, burning, but more like the annoying kind of like, I don't like this on my lips kind of burning. Like, I didn't have a bad reaction to it or anything, but like I said, I felt the burning, I felt it all doing its thing, and then it did nothing. So I wish this didn't have the plumpiness in it, because I would really like this product. I mean, I'll still use it. It's just, I don't know, it's just kind of annoying that it burns your lips for a while and then doesn't do anything in the end, because it'll be like, at least if it burned and then my lips look really plump, then it'd be worth it. But for me, it's just like, it burns, it doesn't do anything. I don't know. Those are just my little complaints. But so I like it and I don't like it. It's a love-hate relationship. Alright, so that's everything in my box, and I'm just going to tally up the price of everything to give you guys the overall value for my box, and then after that I'm going to go through everything one more time and tell you guys whether or not I thought this box was worth it this month. Alrighty, so the overall value for my box was $222, which is pretty good considering I only paid $35 for this month's box. Alright, so let me break down everything one more time. So I think it was perfectly fine with the amount of skincare and makeup in the box. It's about half and half. I got 3 skincare and 3 makeup products. I always preferred more makeup products, but at least I had about the same amount of makeup, not more skincare than makeup this time around, which I don't like when that happens. But anyway, so this 111 Skin, I'm excited. I'm interested to try it. I'll use it, but I don't know. I feel like this product right here is just a way to get the value of the box way up, because this right here is $100. I don't know how they came up with that price for that, but I feel like this product is way overpriced. But anyways, that's just my personal opinion. I'll use it, but I could have lived without it. I don't like these. I don't use under iPad, but if you're someone that loves these, then you'll be happy to receive these. But for me personally, this is just another toss-in item. This is probably the only product that I'm excited as in the skincare wise. I really do like getting cleansers, so I'm excited to try this out. And then the makeup products, I think my favorite is definitely the bronzer. I really like this. I've only used it once, but when I did, I really liked the shade and then how it looked on me. It blended out really well. So I'm really happy to have this. And then the Benefit product, I'm really excited that they're putting Benefit products in. I know that, like I said, they did the primer already, but I hope they keep adding products like this. It's just, this shade just doesn't work for me. Like I said, it's more of a blush topper than an actual blush, in my opinion. It's very glowy and not very much pigmentation there, as in the shade-wise. And then this product, I really like the shade of it. I just don't like how it makes my lips feel. So I'm not mad about it. I got to try it, and I'll use it. It's just, I really wish it didn't do the burning thing. But anyway, so ultimately, I think this month was worth it for me. Yeah, I got some duds, but overall, I feel like I did get my money's worth, and I'm happy with it. But there you go, guys. That's going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because that really does help out my channel. And also, let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this time. Did you guys like it, or did you not like it? Let me know down below. And also, let me know down below what you guys think of the price change that Boxycharm is going to start doing. If you're subscribed, do you like it, or are you not liking it? Let me know. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!